So this is a review of scale drawings and scale models. Remember, a scale is a ratio. Usually it can be used for a drawing or a map or a blueprint, something that's too big to be drawn in real scale, then we use a scale. So for this one, the scale drawing has a scale of 3 inches to 10 feet. So every 3 inches in the drawing is 10 feet in real life. And if in the drawing it's 24 inches, how many feet is it in real life? So we can solve this by setting this up as a ratio, 3 inches to 10 feet. That's the scale that we're given. And now we want to know, what information did they give us? Did they give us the inches of the drawing, or did they give us the feet in real life? Well, here you can see they gave us the inches. So that needs to go on the top. If you put inches on the top here, inches has to go on the top here. And so we're trying to look for the feet in real life. We can solve this by solving the proportion. So we multiply and use our cross products. 3 times x is 3x. And 10 times 24 is 240. Now we have a one-step equation that we can solve by dividing both sides by 3. And when I divide, x will equal 80. 80 feet, because I was looking for the feet. So in real life, if it's 24 inches in the drawing, it's 80 feet in real life. Okay, let's look at this one. Now they're giving us, actually it's 25 feet in real life, so we need to figure out how many inches should it be in the drawing. We're going to use the same scale. So we're going to do 3 inches to 10 feet equals, and then you set up the same units over here, inches and feet. And you look back and you see, did they give us inches or did they give us feet? They gave us the feet in real life, so that means that has to go on the bottom. So I'm solving for inches. I want to know how many inches there are. And of course, we use cross products. 10 times x is 10x. 3 times 25 is 75. And my last step is to solve this one-step equation. If I'm doing 10 times x, to undo that, I need to divide by x. Well, then I have to do that to both sides. And x is going to equal 7.5 inches, because I was looking for inches. So that's a review of how to use scale to find the actual length if you're given the inches, or the inches or the scale from the drawing or map or blueprint if you're given the actual distance. So now you have another scale, and I want you to set this up and use this to solve for the model to find the actual, and then use the same scale when you're given the actual to find how many inches it is in the model. When you're done, we will check you.